Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. If you struggle with dry air, especially in the winter months, having a humidifier is a must. I found this one from KONSIDEN and I really love it because it has some unique features that set it apart from ones I've had in the past. For one, the sheer volume of the tank. It holds 8 liters of water, that's just over 2 gallons. Another feature I really love is there's an auto mode setting, which means you can customize the humidity level for your space. The range is anywhere between 40 and 90%. We have ours set at 60. So what's gonna happen now that it's set at 60 is it'll automatically turn on when it reaches below that humidity level, and then it shuts off when it hits that 60% humidity level, which means you're conserving water and only using this when you need to. One of my annoyances with humidifiers in the past has been having to fill the tank up constantly. With this, I have used the same tank of water now for 5 days, and it's still about a quarter of the way full. So amazing, so convenient. If that wasn't enough, you have a remote to control all the settings. You have a control panel on the front, a UV light for self-cleaning, no filters, an essential oil dispenser to add your favorite oils, which I love. There's 3 output settings, low, medium, and high. When this is on high, this sucker really puts out the moisture. It's awesome, and it's so quiet. A 360-degree nozzle on the top so you can point the moisture in any direction you want. So this humidifier for me is a total game changer. I struggle with nosebleeds or chronic eczema in the winter, and because this is so convenient and I'm not having to fill it up all the time, I'm sure to be more consistent with its use, which is gonna benefit me and my health. So if you struggle for maybe different reasons, I'm sure this is gonna be beneficial for you as well because the quality is superb. And that's my point of view.